Hello everyone, so today in this video I will talk a little bit about the difference between the consistency and the reliability. So if you are a software engineer and you want to design a system like for example social media applications or market space, you should to know, or even you start learning system design. So uh, in this video, I will explain for you with a simple way the difference between these two topics and really are different. First, let's go with the consistency. So the consistency is that all the user and server of the system see the same data. So what does it mean this? For example, let's take an example of the market space. Market space system, so that the user can browse the order, browse the product, place an order, make a payment, search on product. So the system of market space can be consistent if everyone for the system see the same data. For example, the customer A make an order and we have the last product on the inventory. Now the inventory quantity should change from 1 to 0. So this 0 quantity or this 0 number be disabled and be disabled on all the system. So if the customer B want to place an order, it must to see the 0 quantity, and also can't place an order because we don't have an product and the inventory is 0. Now all the user and everyone use the system should see 0. So this, what does it mean consistent? Like all the users see the same data. For example, make review on the product. So this review should be disabled for all the users of the system. So the consistency is that all the user of the system see the same data in the same time. Also this character of this consistency, like for me I see the review now and for you maybe tomorrow. No, it should be see the same data on the same time. Now we go to the reliability. So the reliability is that the system keep working even something wrong or bad can happen. For example, the system can work even the server crashed, or the database can crashed. For example, the user or the customer can browse the product, even the server can crash, or place an order, even the database crashed. So this what I mean reliability. Reliability is the system keep working even something bad can happen. So for example, if the system support 3 servers or work with this 3 servers, if one crashed, the 2 can keep handle the request. So reliability is the system can work even something bad can happen. So I hope this video help you to understand the difference between the consistency and the reliability in the system design topics. So thank you for watching.